Hey NEET aspirants and parents, are you still struggling with your IP Ward application? Not to worry. Today we are going to explain you in detail how to get your IP Ward application get ready. So for that, the candidates will be visiting the official website of ESIC, which is www.esic.gov.in. Once you are into that website, you need to scroll down and come to the quick links option. Once you are at there, click on the apply for Ward of IP certificate. Need to enter your insured person's number, your NEET roll number, and as well as you need to enter your registered mobile number linked with your IP Ward number. Once you enter that, you will need to click on the login and then you will be validating it with your OTP. Once the OTP gets validated, you will be entering into your application format. Once you are in this, select the dependent for which you are claiming the IP Ward quota. If you have 2 to 3 children, you need to be careful while selecting the IP Ward quota for which you are going to give the benefits of. Once you select the dependent option, continue with the next step where you need to enter the particulars of your IP, which are nothing but your insurance number, name of the IP, that means your parent. Then you will be entering the contact number which is linked with that IP card and as well as the email address. You need to enter your beneficiary details where you will be entering your name, your NEET roll number, your NEET application number and as well as the date of birth, age, gender, contact number and as well as the email address. Once you complete these steps, you need to upload that is the candidate's passport size photograph as well as your parents' passport size photo has to get uploaded here. Once you complete all these steps, click on the next and here you need to upload your NEET admit card and as well as your SSC or 10th certificate as a proof of your date of birth. And if the dependent is a girl child, then you need to fill the annexures accordingly and you need to upload all those files. Once you upload all these files, click on preview and you need to check all the details if they are in correct order. Once you have rectified all these things, you click on the submit and your application is submitted successfully. After a few days, you need to log into your account. The process is same. You will be going into the official website of ESIC, that is esic.gov.in. Then you will be scrolling down to quick links, selecting on the apply for Ward of IP quota. Then you will be entering your IP number, NEET roll number, mobile number which is linked with your IP number. Click on login, validate with OTP. And once you enter here, then you can see that the application, is it in approved status or if it is rejected. Once it shows that it is approved, you need to click on the download button and you can download your IP Ward certificate. If it shows as rejected, you need to download that rejected application, visit the ESI office which is nearby to you and get that rectified. This is the easiest process by which you can apply for the IP Ward certificate. Once you complete all these steps, you need to register in the MCC counseling to claim the benefits of the 20% of the ESI college seats. What are these ESI colleges? How can we get the benefits of these seats? All the details, we have made a video regarding of it. You can visit our YouTube channel where the detailed video regarding the ESI has been updated. You can also follow us on Instagram to get the regular updates regarding all the NEET UG counseling process. Thank you.